Hey ladies and gents, how's it going on? Sparky Market 23 here, coming to you live from the man cave. How's it going, everybody? Well, it's been like a while since I did a last video that I did on the Godzilla shirt. But anyway, about a month and a half ago, say sometimes like 2 weeks ago, I was out of town and I was in New York, went with my family on a trip there. And it was insane. And first off, went to the Statue of Liberty. But before that, right on the ferry, then Statue of Liberty, then rode the ferry back. It was a great time. Good views, sceneries, and stuff. And of course, what else has been going on? Then went to the Empire State Building. Then went to the G-Shock store in Soho, which was great, since I've been hearing a lot about it from other viewers. And really, it was a great time seeing it. But even though it was a bit construction going on the second floor, but the displays from the past G-Shocks dated back, not dated back, but only like what, almost like 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 2 years ago perhaps, and last year's pieces, of course. And it's been insane all the way. And I mean, I'm finally not met, sorry. I mean, it was great. So let's get down to this piece. It was a fun trip for me, and now it's for this video that I'm about to show you a piece. The GA-400LY-1A 4CR. Let's see what's in here. Here it is. Wait a sec. What's going on here? Where's the piece? Here's the manual. Here's the module number. Now, the display of this piece right here that you're about to see, it looks familiar to you. And it's for this piece right here. This is the piece, part of the certain line of the, let's see here, what is it? Here's a tag. Except it doesn't match that number that you just saw. It's actually for this one, a GA-400LY-1A. It's part of the Lime series, but it's the Black and Lime series to be the right answer. And very good, familiar. The shape of it looks very familiar, including the bezel and the display. Then I'm going to show why it's related to another piece, to this line right here. Here's a picture. Now you see here, there's the blue and black, gold and black, then there's the red and black, turquoise and black, turquoise, blue and black, all negative, all blacked out, light green and black, and black and orange. All of them negative display, and there's a pink version with negative display. But anyway, these pieces were used in smartphones and I believe laptops to change musics for DJs and musicians when they're doing DJ musics at raves or nightclubs or hip-hop during the Ultra Music Festival, I believe. But anyway, these pieces came around during the summer or in the fall of 2014, and these are great pieces. And I'm gonna let you hear a little something in the background. Wait, hear that? Again, this that I'm using is a rotary crown. It's amazing, and it's that clicking noise. Very, very magnificent. And now we go to the whole details of stopwatch, UTC. There's the alarms and the timer, which is my favorite. But unfortunately, this is a 60-minute timer, only for like an hour. Then you're back to your home time. And now when I press this button, doesn't do nothing. But anyway, it does do one thing only. You can rotate the timer, and here it activates the countdown. And it's very great piece, very plasticky feel. And the back plate of the piece here looks very kind of familiar to all you collectors out there. The circle. There's the circle. Not a 69, but let alone this is from either a GA-100 or a GA-110 or a GA-120. Just the circle. All in all, the body itself is remaining the GA-400. Even though this is not the Bluetooth ones like that we got 5 years that we got, like say around when this piece came out, 2016, like say 2 years ago. If you look carefully, you pause that or zoom in, it's Bluetooth. Bluetooth, get it? But anyway, it's a great piece, no lie there. No lie right there, and then I'll provide you and also, I'm not gonna go super in depth with this piece. Of course, I'm gonna give you links to another YouTuber who's gonna tell you super duper in depth, Shock HighFashion. Shoutouts to that collector right there. Shoutouts to Shock HighFashion. But great piece for this black and green lime series. Really, I mean, it is crazy. Look at it. And of course, the backlight. It's only an orange backlight. No electroluminescent, not even an LED models. And this came around during the summer of 2018. Sorry, 2016. Perhaps in the summer or during the spring at that time. And look at it, everybody. Great piece, great feel of it. Anyway, I'm going to show you where I was in New York, of course, just for specifically G-Shock Soho. It takes time to load, but anyway. Magnificent piece to be hit the stores of 2016. That year was crazy with other pieces, but I'll get to those pretty soon. Here we go. This is where you're gonna be in. This is the G-Shock Soho, the store. You see it carefully, folks? And of course, before you walk in, here's how it is on the inside. Now look carefully, y'all. See it? It's amazing how it is in the inside store. And they also do sell pieces there. And these particular ones are for display purposes. Then you walk up the stairs. Here's where you have the past G-Shocks from 2014 and 2016, but there's still more going on, of course. I mean, here, I'll show you here. You walk up the stairs to the second floor, and voila. This is what you're getting, folks. Then they have some of the gold pieces of the Jasons. I mean, amazing piece, really. Great pieces that have come out since the mid-90s, including this one. Great artwork and design. And I always want to get my hands on a Medicom bear, but very difficult to get. Good display purposes, and here's a much bigger size. I'm just sorry for that. Here, take a look at that, dudes. Me rocking with the GBR Rangeman from last year. This is the Medicom bear. And that is definitely bigger. Well, a little bit bigger, not like biggest one I've ever seen. Of course, to be hit the stores at that time, but oh well. And of course, when you make a purchase at G-Shock Soho NYC, you get a bag, and it has that. And definitely, it was fun looking at the store. Definitely fun time for myself and my family. Oh, and in case you've seen this already, this is for the Friday the 13th fan film, Friday the 13th Vengeance, coming out on July 31st, which is next month, of course. And the story for this Friday the 13th Vengeance is going to take place 30 years after the events of Jason Lives Friday the 13th Part 6, in which Jason was chained to the bottom of the water, and now you get to see Jason, and you get to meet Jason's father, Elias Voorhees. But I'll get to more into that when I'm doing another G-Shock for the Jasons. Those who are excited for Vengeance, let me know, especially who are fans of Friday the 13th and horror. And let's see what's next, y'all. Anyway, so anyone excited for this piece? Of course, it's great. You can still find it on Amazon. But if you can still find it, as long as it's not rare or hard to find, whatever. Didn't say anything about limited, but these are the color line waves of these pieces. And right now, I'm just, today I'm rocking with a different watch, which is an Apple Watch Series 4. And I'm not wearing a G-Shock today, folks, so, yeah, I'll have to skip that for today. Now, it's only for a different time. Alright, very carefully looking at it. And just for the record, Kane Hodder's not coming to SuperCon. He's going to a different convention somewhere in the Midwest called the Leland Comic-Con, so SuperCon, whatever, a different SuperCon, not Florida SuperCon, of course. And that's all there is to it. And so, I'll provide you a link for one of Shock HighFashion's videos, and of course, provide you more links for, let's see, Shock HighFashion. Also, TeePublic for anyone who want to buy customized shirts or customize your own shirts and purchase them. Also, provide you autographs for Ted White, stuntman actor who played Jason number 4, and then CJ Graham, Jason number 6. So, I'll provide you links for those sites and videos, and that's all. So, that's all you need to know about, all you have to know about this piece. Very in-depth, well, not super in-depth, but this will do, and with the great music for that year of 2016. So, this is Sparky Marky Mark. Rock on with the Apple Watch. I'm out, y'all. Peace!